In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Wix Studio. To get started, open the Wix Studio editor for the site you want to work on. This is where you will control the overall layout and styling of your pages. If you are adjusting page size, what you are really doing here is setting a maximum width for your content, which helps your site look cleaner and more consistent across different screen sizes. Once you are inside the editor, go over to the left toolbar and click on Site Styles. This area contains settings that affect the look and structure of your site as a whole. So it's the right place to make broad layout adjustments, like this. At the top of the Site Styles panel, hover over the available options and choose Max Width. This setting controls how wide your site content can stretch. By default, Wix Studio sets the maximum width to 1,600 pixels. But you can change that depending on the design you want. For example, a smaller width like 1,200 pixels can make your content feel more centered and easier to read, while a wider setting like 1440 pixels can give your layout a more spacious look. After selecting max width, turn on the Apply to Site toggle. Then enter your preferred maximum width in pixels. This applies the width setting across your site by default, which is useful if you want a consistent structure on most or all pages. Take a moment to preview how the new width affects your content, especially if you have large images, wide text sections, or multiple columns. If you want more control, you can also customize specific sections individually. Click on a section in your page, then open the Inspector panel and go to Layout. There, you'll find the Apply Max Width option. You can turn this on or off depending on how you want that section to behave. This is especially helpful when you want most of your site to follow a standard width, but still want certain sections, like banners or full-width visuals, to stretch across the screen. As you make these changes, it's a good idea to check how your design looks from section to section so everything feels balanced. Small width adjustments can make a big difference in readability and overall presentation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.